All conversations begin when we meet up with someone. So here we have the heading, Ukudibana Nomntu. So we begin by saying hello to a young male your age or younger by saying Molo Buti, Molo Buti, and to the young lady, again your age or younger, Molo Sisi. Informally to an older male, Molo Tata. Informally to an older female, Molo Mama. And more formally to an older male, Molo Mnumzana. And equivalently to the lady, good day madam, Molo Ngosikazi. Take note of these terms, Buti, Sisi, Tata, Mama, Numzana, Ngosikazi. And you greet them all by saying Molo. Greeting more than one person. Hello everyone. Molweni nonke. Molweni nonke. Hello gentlemen, good day. Molweni manene. Good day ladies, or hello. Molweni manene kasi. Good day ladies and gentlemen. Molweni manene na manene kasi. Note that in English where we say ladies and gentlemen, in isiXhosa we say good day or hello gentlemen and ladies. So take note of the terms. Nonke, everyone. Manene, gents. Manene kazi, ladies. Manene na manene kazi, ladies and gentlemen. And we greet them all by saying Molweni. Moving on to state of health, and there are a couple of ways of doing this. How is it, namely life? Ku njani. Or specifically, how are you? U njani. I am fine, thanks. Ndiphilile or ndiyaphila. Enkosi. Take note of u, you, ndi, I, enkosi, thanks. Alternatively, okanye, there's nothing to complain about. Akukho nto imbi. Akukho nto imbi. And then you always will reciprocate to find out how the other person is by asking unjani, wena, and that wena in red means and you. And the response could be, I'm also well, thanks. Ndiphilile or ndiyaphila. Nam, enkosi. Nam means me too. So again, take note of njani, meaning how. U refers to you, part of the word. Ndi, I, enkosi, thanks. Wena, and you. Nam, me too. In the plural, how are you all? Ni njani. Ni njani, and that is the same ni we used in molweni. We are well, thanks. Si pilile or siyaphila, enkosi, and then the reciprocal unjani wena, ndiyaphila, nam, enkosi. So again here, we take note of ni referring to all of you, si, we. The preceding conversation is often followed by some or other comment about the weather. So here are a few. It is just hot. Kushushu ha. It is just cold. Kuyabanda ha. It is just windy. Kunomoya ha. It is just raining. Kuyaneta ha. So you would use this ha if you are finding that the particular weather condition is a problem for you. However, if it is nice and cool, you're not going to complain about that, and you would say, Kupholile kamnandi. It is nice and cool namhlanje, today. So you could substitute kamnandi if you were enjoying the hot or cold or windy or rainy weather. Cha or kamnandi are interchangeable. Take note of what you see in red and also the word namhlanje for today.